When people think of mobility, they think of their own lives. If you ask someone how difficult it is for them to get from point A to point B, they focus on the individual parts and pieces of their lives that affect their ability to be mobile. But in reality, there are significant structural factors that we all share that determine our collective mobility. And above all else is the factor of safety. Safety is at the forefront of minds of people trying to be mobile. People need to choose every single day between safety and effectiveness when they need to get from point A to point B. And the harder that we make that trade-off from people, the more that we risk death and injury for them. And found that poor and underserved neighborhoods were far more likely to experience death or injury as part of getting around. The design of roads and cities is an extremely important factor in safety and mobility. Our goal was to design a tool that could determine how safe a given road or area would be based on the built factors surrounding it. We built an AI model that will predict fatalities based off of the design of the road and the features about it. So we're talking things like the speed limit, the number of lanes, whether there's a crosswalk, things like that. How we built it is that we used data from the National Highway Transportation Safety Agency on every recorded traffic accident in America over the last 6 years. And we trained an XGBoost regression model on this data and we got about a mean squared error of roughly 0.045 fatalities per traffic accident, which is a very small range. Then built a user-friendly GUI that any ordinary person would be able to use. We foresee two primary use cases for this particular tool. The first is obvious, for city planners to look at this tool when they design and plan new roads. This model is unique in that aspect, in that it looks at all the factors that are part of a road simultaneously. For example, a user would see vastly different results when testing a regular 4-lane road versus a 4-lane roundabout. On the other hand, the second one is even more important in our view, which is citizen power. When it comes to things like how roads are built, ordinary people lack the ability to understand the effect of complex government decisions. In addition, many of these policies are made at a local level, where there's not a lot of news publicity or attention, and it's hard for an ordinary person to find information about whether this proposed or this or that proposed addition to a road is going to be good. Giving ordinary people a tool to understand the potential danger and the potential benefits of government actions allows them to be more effective advocates of greater mobility for themselves and for their community as a whole.